Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a jacket using only 3 colored pencils. The materials I'm using is a ruler, a pencil, an eraser, a gel pen, and 3 colored pencils, blue, black, and white. I'm using Faber-Castells for this tutorial, but honestly you can use any colored pencils. Also, I have a detailed description of all the materials in the description box below. Using a pencil, start by drawing a rectangle, which is 2.5 inches in height and 1.5 inches in width. Then make a curve at the top center of the rectangle and start drawing the collar. From this point, draw a slanted line to the edge of the rectangle. Now draw another slanted line to represent the sleeves. Keep in mind that this line should extend all the way to the bottom of the rectangle. Draw the bottom of the sleeves and then work on the sides. Make sure that the sides of the rectangle is where the sides of your jacket are. Leave a small gap from the bottom and draw 2 lines inward from the side edges. Then go from the top and draw the opening of the jacket. Finish drawing the sleeves by drawing a line from the side of the jacket to the bottom of the sleeves. Erase the extra guidelines and draw a crease at the beginning of the sleeves as shown. Now draw 2 curves at the top middle of the jacket. Then start marking sections where the folds or creases in the jacket will be. Start with black and color the shown areas. We're mainly darkening the areas of the creases we marked earlier. Remember not to go too dark as we will be building layers. Once that is done, take the blue and darkly go over the sections we just covered in black. The sections that are left white will be lightly shaded with the same blue color. Continue this throughout the jacket. You can also add some more creases by pressing hard with blue in the solid white areas, for example this line. Do not forget to leave the white areas fairly light for a good contrast. Once again, take the black and darken the show-in areas. Now take the blue and lightly go over the entire jacket. Now blend the light and dark areas by applying white where the creases are. Take blue once again for the bottom and side borders. Make straight strokes and don't forget to leave some white areas. Continue with the blue. The color is going to be darker where the two pencil lines are. Make a gradient so the color gets darker as it comes closer to these lines and lighter as it goes far. Make multiple layers to have a nice blended effect. The bottom middle section is slightly smaller than the two sides. Now add more strokes with black and don't forget to leave some white gaps. At this point, use a gel pen and add small dash lines for the zipper. Also add some strokes on the bottom of the sleeves and jacket. And lastly, add a fine line around the neck. And this is how you can draw a jacket using only 3 colors. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.